I'll be showing you how to go ahead and enable Instagram story replies. So if people cannot currently reply to your Instagram stories, then that option might be disabled. And to enable it, simply go to Instagram, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page. Tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and then go to Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you get to Messages and Story Replies. Tap on that. And then under that, you should see Story Replies in the How People Can Reach You category. So tap on Story Replies. And then as you can see, it's disabled. Okay. So you can either allow replies from people you follow only, or if you want to, you can allow replies from anyone or from everyone. So select what you want and then use the back button to go back to your Instagram feed. And that's basically how to enable story replies on your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.